I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17, got my first stick. 18, hit my first lick.
Yeah, so we back. Changing my shift ride. That all was done. I think it's supposed to be a pen right there, so I'm finna look on the site. Feel like something missing. Got that thing busted open. Checking them out. Finna check my spring set. And a piece of plastic on there that these guys said they put in wrong, but I already see that the plastic is broke. Got all kind of shreddings in there. New power valve arm linkage in there. As you can see, brand new, shining. Listen, I went through all this here because this broke. Really, I was getting the new shift ride. So I popped it off, boom, seen this shit snap. So good thing I found to order that up. Threw it in there while we did this. So we had 2 jobs in one. Hopefully this thing work. Okay, man. Back in here for the gazillionth time. Got the new kick installed, as you can see. Smooth. You know what I'm saying? Springs back up. My kick won't spring back up to me, y'all. Got them parts in, as you can see, man, down here going crazy. Trying to get this thing back together for the weekend. So I done rebuilt the power valve. This little pin right here. Get some focus. That little pin in there. Broke. Causing my thing to go crazy. Popping my goddamn, my valve arm. And went hectic, man. So yeah, man, I'm about to get that in there. I put my new shifter in there. So you know we in there locked and loaded. Brand new everything, baby, we ain't playing. But yeah, man, I'm about to get this in there. We finna get this side put on. You know what I'm saying? You see it's up under me. Trying to get it, man, 125 back. Got a new arm in there. So yeah, we got it lined up. You know what I'm saying? What that arm does is just, you can see. That's how that arm do. So where your governor and your power valve going, this arm right here, every time you ain't all that good ish, this is going down inside the power valve. That little arm I just screwed on there. See? Oh, popped it out, but you get the picture. Had to go grab that clutch basket tool, man. I'm tired of playing. You know what I'm saying? Had to go get some Yama bond and shields. You know. Had to give him a little oil, cause today all the parts that came back in, so we getting them right, you did. Shout out my boy JT, man. You know what I'm saying? Him and Elite GT. Y'all go follow them boys on YouTube. They bike channel popping, you know what I'm saying? Exclusive content. Just ran into my dog at the goddamn dirt bike store out here. And niggas talking about popping out this weekend, so you know I'm definitely trying to get this mug all the way back together, cause this is gonna be the first time I popped out with the gang. You smell me? So yeah, man. Stay tuned, we about to go back to the spot, put these mugs back together. I think I'm good on everything, yeah. On this one, okay. Okay, so we finna throw these clutch plates in here. So since you already got a plate, if you look in there, we're gonna go in with the friction.
Hey yo, I'm still working on it.
Okay, cool, keep working on it.
Okay.
We're gonna go with the friction. Then we're gonna go with the metal disc. You know what I'm saying? The friction, then the metal disc flat side. Yeah, you do that all the way out. Friction, metal disc, frictions. You know what I'm saying? And these are the metal discs. It is. There's the friction in there. You know what I'm saying? So we back to the Motion Pro clutch basket. Took the leash off. So I gotta, let me see. Come on here, man. Oh, there it go. You heard the TikTok. We in there. That thing torqued down, man. 59 pounds. wow. Next door neighbor out there hitting it. Alright, man, we finna put this pipe on there. Throw the coolant in that guy. Shit, man, we pretty much ready now. Alright, y'all, we gonna put it back together. Finna hop on and give it the first kick, you know what I'm saying? See what it do. Choke up. Feel pretty nice. Y'all pray for me.
Bruh.
Y'all get the point. Okay, so I got a little cleaned up in here. So, overall rundown what we just did from top to back. So, my power valve linkage arm snapped in there. So, I got all new everything, boom. Took that out, put that new in. In the process of that, I was waiting on my shift rod to come. So I put the new shift rod in there, you know what I'm saying? My shift rod was bent. They welded it on now. So now we back. Brand new shifter. Hard to see back there, but yeah, man, brand new shift rod. Brand new shifter. Yes, sir. So we got that in there. Took the entire back wheel off. Put a new brake. Drum piston. Mine wouldn't even come out. New EBC brakes. That's what this is. My little new EBC brakes in there. Brand new. Rebuilt. 2 new seals in there. New gaskets. New pin. Then I came and bled the brake line. So yeah, man, I never felt that before. Like, I never felt that tension or that light level. Like, my brakes were so bad. When I literally hit them, you could see. They were just stopping right there, right there. No full grab.
Big Daddy,
Yes.
I want to take a picture up there.
You always want to take a picture up there.
Yep.
You gotta climb up there and get on it.
But I'm not get up there.
Okay.
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.